Okay, the market is looking good. It's just another day in crypto, but I do have an urgent video for you guys. So if you are looking for an update on Ethereum, then you have come to the right video. And this is mostly going to be a bullish video because that's mostly what Ethereum has been showing the past few weeks. And we also had something very big happen, which was a weekly close for Ethereum. And this just wasn't a regular weekly close. This was one of the highest weekly close for Ethereum ever, up towards that $3,900 resistance level. So now the question is, what happens next? All-time high or a correction? Let's talk about it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Thank you for tuning into this video. My name is John. For all the subscribers, welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you. I'm going to try not to use too much of your time, and I'm going to make this video quick with an update for Ethereum. Ethereum seems to show right now some bullish continuation. So I'm just going to give you guys an update on what I'm expecting on the bullish side in the short term and in the long term, which is the next few days to weeks for September. And here we go. As we dive into the video, I want to say thank you for all the continued support to the channel. We keep on growing and growing. Currency community looks strong, super close to hitting that 23,000 subscriber mark. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button right now. If you're not subscribed as well, like this video if it does help you out. As usual, you know, as you guys continue and showing more and more support to the channel, we continue also giving you guys more and more content, as you can see here. And if you want to hear even more from me, you can find my Twitter. Just search @RealJohnDoe. Follow me there as well. And now let's have a look at the trader sentiment currently right now on Currency.com. For Ethereum, look at that. The price is up at that $4,000 resistance level, shows 72% buyers, 28% sellers, and the price pushing towards the high of the day as we go into the second week of September. And if you look at this here, September has been a pretty bullish month so far. Now, I do have important price levels to keep an eye on, which I do update you guys in every video. And right now, the first level of support, 3,400, which was the highs from August, and also currently is that 21-day moving average range. And then we got $3,000, which was the major monthly support for August and is also the 50-day moving average range. And then we have 2,500. That was roughly around the July highs and is also right on that 200-day moving average. Now, in terms of resistance, since the last video, we've broken past all those resistance levels. I do have them updated here. The next one is right at around $4,000. That's the highs so far for September. And then the last level is 4,200 to 4,400. If we do touch that level, then we're most likely hitting a new all-time high for Ethereum, and then Ethereum will be back into price discovery. And then I'll be looking at around $5,000 as that next resistance level, which would be more of a psychological resistance for Ethereum. And looking at the chart right now, doesn't really look like that's too far away. And a little bit of quick news here for Ethereum. Look at that. Ethereum had its first deflationary day here. Since EIP 1559 has been implemented, we just had on September 4th, where it was the first day where Ethereum was deflationary, meaning more were burned than actually produced into supply. And with Ethereum reaching the new 3-month spike past that $4,000 or testing that $4,000 mark, traders are now expecting a new all-time high, which is why I'm giving you guys this update video right now so soon, because I think all-time highs for Ethereum is just right around the corner. And we can expect it to hit sometime this week. And if not, and things do cool down, we can expect a new all-time high for Ethereum even later on in September. So now looking at Ethereum here on this daily chart, let's talk a little bit about what's been happening recently. Since the last video, Ethereum was having that consolidation right above $3,000, which I said was very good. And look at that. We did get that breakout right after crossing back above that 21-day moving average, with Ethereum shooting up of that range about 23% or so. And from where price is at right now, it looks like we are getting something very similar to that $3,000 range, where we do get some bullish price action forming and price consolidating right at resistance, which gives us another expectation for a breakout past $4,000. And looking at Ethereum right now, I'm going to remain bullish. I am cautious. Always remember there is possibilities of things going the opposite direction, but I'm going to continue with the trend right now and still remain bullish. And in the short term, this is what I'm looking for Ethereum. First thing here, let's look at this 4-hour chart. Looking at Ethereum right now, you can see on the 4-hour chart, it's also been on a massive run and it's above all 3 moving average periods. If you look at the RSI on the 4-hour chart, it is also in an uptrend and it is coming back down, which would be the steam that we need to push past that $4,000 resistance level. And in the short term for the price though, one thing that would do is give us another dip or some more consolidation right above this current range we are in, around 3,800 to 3,900. And as we do range in these levels, we can expect a breakout pushing us past $4,000 for Ethereum sometime this week. But if not, what you can look for as well is a buy to dip opportunity down towards that $3,700 level right here at this previous support. And that would be a head and shoulder pattern here on the 4-hour chart. And that would be the buy to dip opportunity for the next breakout back up towards all-time high ranges. And Ethereum been running now for about 5 days, so we can expect some consolidation before we break out of that $4,000 range, which is that next range we need support to hold and consolidate, which is a short-term price target. So currently right now on this 4-hour price action, I am looking for some consolidation, some more support building before Ethereum does break out. But things could also even just flip that and break out right away. The 4-hour RSI would go right back into overbought and continue the uptrend as Ethereum builds support above $4,000. But in the longer term for Ethereum here, looking at this daily chart, pretty much almost the same thing as the 4-hour. We had that consolidation at $3,000. Now it looks like we are forming some more consolidation right at that $4,000 resistance level. And if you look, this is a very big resistance, because when we tested previous all-time high, this was right around that same range. We could even have a giant cup and handle forming where we test, have a slight rejection, break down towards that 3,700 level, and then break out in the next test towards that $4,000 resistance. And that would mean that this week we get a little bit of a correction and some support building for that breakout to come in the next week for September. Right now for Ethereum, I do have two things to look for if you are bullish. Either you can expect a breakout to happen anytime now, pushing us past 4,000 and we consolidate there. But I also have the situation where it gives us a buy the dip opportunity right back down towards its $3,700 level. So as long as nothing bearish happens, some crazy bearish news, that is a buy to dip opportunity. Price will still be above the trend lines, indicating things are still in an uptrend. The RSI will also be at a healthy level, and that $3,700 range would be where I would expect some buyers to come in, like I mentioned a few times, for that push towards $4,000 and further on. Now, if we do get a breakout for Ethereum, what am I looking for next? How high do I think this can go? I think as Ethereum breaks out, builds higher support, things are looking pretty good, and we will get that all-time high here in September. And I do have a price target here in this $4,000 range, but the next one, I am looking all the way up towards $5,000 to $5,200 for late September and early October. And that would be something like this, where we get that breakout, some consolidation, could even come down for a wick where we dip pretty deep to test the moving averages. But overall, I am expecting at least a test to 5,000 to 5,200 to happen for Ethereum in the fall. From this current price range right now, that is about 30% away. So that is very likely. And with the way Ethereum's been moving, I don't see why that wouldn't happen as long as we keep up this bullish momentum. And just to let you guys know, this price target may seem low for some of you, but I do keep you guys updated on price targets as we approach each price level. So make sure you are paying attention to the channel for that, because once we do get up towards this $5,000, $5,200 level, that could be a spot where you want to look for to take some profits for a major correction going into the end of the year. Or also you could have another buy the dip opportunity in that range if you're looking to buy Ethereum, and that's where I'll give you an outlook on what I'm expecting next. But a quick note for you guys, even though I am bullish right now, things are extremely bullish overall for Ethereum all around Twitter, the whole space right now. You always got to cover your ass and make sure if things do dip, where are you looking to buy the dip, or where are you looking to cut your losses? So if we do get some crazy correction, I do have some price ranges I'm looking out for that I mentioned earlier in this video, those major support levels. But if anything does happen in any way, up or down, I will keep you guys updated with another video. So you made it here to the end. I hope you do subscribe to the channel. If you don't already, you might as well, since you did spend all this time listening to me. So you're going to want to keep on watching, because I will keep you guys updated on what's happening for the top cryptos. And if you did find this video helpful, make sure you also hit that thumbs up button, like this video. You can even leave a comment. Let me see your feedback. We read through all of that, and we'll be back again to give you guys another update. Thanks for tuning in here with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.